I am in Bread Loaf, Vermont. And I come across this little area with all of these buildings that are basically painted the same. I don't even know exactly what they are. If they're businesses or residential, I don't know. But it's an interesting little walk. So let me continue with my van life story. Van life is not going to save you or be an escape for you. There's still responsibilities. And you will be living in a mechanical home. And mechanical things break down. You need to be prepared for those things. I've heard stories of people who started van life and didn't have no resources, and they're broke down in a Walmart parking lot, and they don't have the money to fix their van or their vehicle. Don't do that. Have a backup plan. You need at least 6 months of expenses put back. And a fund for something if something goes wrong with your van, you'll be able to fix it. I don't know what this is, but it's interesting. A couple of little houses on that side. They're all painted the same color. Maybe it's a college of some sort, since the sign says College Crossroad. I don't know. Very interesting. I don't know. It's a pretty day. It's going to get hot though, again today. After the sun went down, the van cooled off, and I was fairly comfortable sleeping. I was very comfortable sleeping in the van after it finally cooled off, but I woke up and the humidity was a little high in the van. There's somebody down here. I'm going to go see what this is. See if I can find out what this is. Some sort of a little memorial and trail out there. So I stopped and asked some locals of what this area is, and it is part of Middlebury College. They are having a writers conference this weekend. Okay. Beautiful little spot. fixing to put my little home on this ferry and go across. Thankfully, it's hooked to cables because it's rough out here with this wind. All right, on to the ferry we go. Oh my goodness, this is going to be crazy.